Hi, I'm Lauren from LSP, a gorgeous image shot by Anna on my screen, and I just thought I'd hop in with a quick power edit using Signature Newborn because I know so many photographers are daunted sometimes when you're presented with skin like this, with the flakes, the jaundice, the red, the blotches, anything like that. These are all temporary things that by the time the parents come to view their images, they would have gone. But because of our studio lighting, and we shoot for sharpness, the megapixels that we use, they're all really exaggerated. So it's about kind of bringing these areas back down so the parents have this beautiful art to put on their walls. So I'm going to start in Signature Newborn with the Bye Bye Jaundice, because this baby has quite a lot of jaundice. So I'm literally just rubbing this around the skin, anywhere where it's too yellow. And you can see instantly that has really balanced out the skin. Next up, I'm going to play the Newborn Skin Perfection. This is a multi-layer base, so it does take maybe 15 seconds to play out, but it creates so many layers for you and plays about 1,000 commands, so way quicker than doing this yourself. I'm just going to grab my brush, I'm just going to go over and get rid of these flakes, so rather than patching or doing anything manually, you can just rub over. Avoid any detail areas like eyelashes or eyebrows, unless they're extremely flaky, because of course, you know, you're going to end up softening those areas. The great thing, and the thing I love most about this action, is it doesn't over soften the skin. We don't want porcelain, you know, kind of plastic looking skin. We want realistic skin texture. The real skin texture there is just revealing it. So I'm just going over any of these areas, any of the white kind of peeling skin, the neonasal pustulosis, which is the baby acne that comes up. Just going over and just calming it all down. Any little areas where there's milk crusted around the lips, any slight kind of dry mucus around the nose, we can just go and take that away too. Really, really simply. Next up, I'm going to click on Detail Pop, and I'm just going to bring this over the lashes, because that's what we want to do. We want to pop the detail areas of the image without popping the flakes and things. One thing I always do is pop a little bit of toner over. I'm going to take my brush flow down to 25, opacity is at 100%, just to balance the tones even more. A little bit of Milky Bright down the middle, only a touch of Milky Bright in contrast because I don't want this baby's skin tone to be too light. And there, this is going to be before and after on the jaundice and newborn skin base. Super, super quick, 2-minute edit. Okay, so now let's go down to a little bit more retouching. I'm going to play rosy pink cheeks and lips. And I'm just going to dab this in, just around the cheek area. I think a touch more Milky Bright around these areas. Again, rosy pink cheeks and lips, so I'm just going to use this for the lips, because some of our editing is obviously going to take some of the colour out of the lips too, so we're just going to bring beautiful colour back into her lips. Okay, so now let's get on to the reds. I'm going to play Red Fingers and Toes Karma, and I'm just going to sweep this exactly as it says on the tin, over the fingers. Reduce the reds, I'm going to use this for any of the slight patchy reds that we have left behind. This baby really isn't too red, it was mainly the yellow tones in her skin that we needed to balance out. And I think I'm going to play one more hit of the Newborn Skin Pro Perfection. This was in the group. And I'm just going to take this around these areas here. Any last little bits that I missed. Okay, so let's see where we were before and after. And you can see we've not lost any of the skin texture. We still have very much that real skin texture there. Just it's not plastic. We still have all the little hair areas, anything like that. Everything is already there. Now what I'm going to do now is fix some of the areas on the background. And to do that, I'm going to use the fixing section, the manual editing section. First of all, I'm going to hit create a duplicate layer. And let's sort this little piece of duct tape out. I'm going to grab patch tool. Now, select and fix action is going to leave a little bit of blending and bleeding around this, but it's going to give us a good start. So I'm going to play select and fix, and then I'm going to grab clone stamp, and just really carefully. I mean, there's so many ways you can remove anything in Photoshop. It's just whatever kind of works best for you. And then patch tool just to take these little areas out of the way. I think there was some more yet, just up here. Just really carefully bringing this in. Absolute genius idea to use a bit of duct tape. And take that off there. And again, because it's already grey, we can just kind of merge that in using patch. There's a couple of areas on the floor as well, so I'm just going to use select and fix for those. With select and fix, you can literally hold down shift, take any areas that you want to go and just hit the select and fix action. Anything that's left behind, you can just use some content aware and patching. So there we go. I think for baby's skin tone we're looking quite pink, so I'm just going to come up to the Divine Foundations and play Olive Mid Skin Boost. This is going to come out quite yellow on this image, but I'll show you how you can change that. So I'm just going to dab this around, double click, bring baby up into the olive tones a little more and hit OK and just blend the opacity in. Just notice how we've got a little bit here as well, so I'm just going to use select and fix for that one. So how about a little brighten up softly brush and just bring a touch of light into the centre of baby's face here, just so all the attention is on baby. Into the finishing touch section. Down we go. And I think a little bit of, what should we go for? How about a little vintage? This is just a little hit. And maybe a little bit of Peachy Perfect. Just going to take that down a touch. The great thing about these, they're all editable. You can just decide just how much you want to apply to your image. A little dramatic vignette there just to darken those edges, and we're done. So let's just fit this onto the screen, move the actions out of the way so we can see properly. And there we have before and after. Before and after. And that's using the LSP Signature Newborn Photoshop actions. It just really does make editing a pleasure and very, very satisfying to see the before and after results. So I hope that helps if you're using Signature Newborn. That's just one way of using the workflow. So many different tools in there. I'm Lauren, thanks for watching.